What's up, I'm back. And today I'm doing a Lego video. Yeah, Lego City a quad. So let's get straight into this video. See, I'm trying to open this. I didn't have that much to do. Here we've got the instructions. Open it up. Is that how you open it? Oh no, you have to open it up like this. Yes, that's good. So that's 10, 11, 12. See, look. Here are the instructions. And take a minute to read them. Pause if you have to. One second, guys. I'll come. I want dinner. Don't disturb me making a YouTube video. We'll just do you waffles. Leave food by the door. Sorry, guys, about that. So first off, we have to build the little man. So here we go. Hope all the pieces are in it. So sorry guys, cause I'm trying. I just learned, or I can't learn how to do editing. So sorry. Sorry guys. Don't know. The reason I've got this Lego is that I was at this thing today called Brick Live, and yeah. So I went to Brick Live. I got a thing. I got a Lego City thing. It's a pizza truck. I'm not gonna be able to do it, but here's the wee one. No, here's the wee one. Is it a girl or a boy? I think it's a girl. I'm just gonna do a boy. Hat back. Yeah, right, so guys, first part is to get lays. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 pieces. And then if you have this, comment down below saying you have this Lego set. See, it's like a wee quad. So it is. So tell me if you have any of the Lego City sets. Okay, so I need to get these in like this. So like this is what you have so far. There we go. And then right now, what do I have to get? I have to get. I think I need to get this up here. And what? I do not get that. Hold on. 1 second. So yes. Then you have to get 2 black bits. I only have 1 black bit. I do not know. And this guy, nope. Any black bits? Nope. I think. No, it doesn't say the black bits in the instructions, so yeah. Whoops. Wait. Oh, now I get it. Oh, right. So here yes, here. And then this one here goes here. There we go. So this is what you have so far. Okay, right, so now these are coming in handy now. I got to see all kind of cool stuff at the Lego thing. Like I got to see this new Lego that sticks to a wall. It was crazy. Right, I need to get one of them. No problem. Guys, and if you like Lego, definitely like, because I'll be getting more Lego in the future. So, well, if you like this video, let's see if we can get this. Okay, I'm gonna go harsh on you. 4 likes. 4 likes. Okay, right. So, okay. I'll show you the quad when it is finished. You guys might like this video, you might not. Here we go, that's the quad so far. So if you want to copy that, pause the video right now. Okay. Sorry guys. Okay, right, what's the next part in the instructions? Okay, then a computer kind of thing. This thing in here. And then one of these wee things here. One of these wee things here. A computer looking machine. And yeah, like this is a computer looking machine, so yeah. Go. So, quad's getting on good so far. We need one of these. Now this is getting on to a kind of hard part. Here you go. Stick that in there. And guys, this might be a long video. So yeah. Okay, I've got 2 of them. Alright. This looks cool. That like that. Oh, move it around a little bit. And this, like this, move it around a little bit. Okay. Okay, then we need this thing that kind of looks like a Kung Fu Ninja Whack thing. I don't know. Just sort of blah. And I have a pizza delivery truck thing, but I'm gonna build that in my own time because, you know, might be too long a video. Oh no! Dang it, the thing's broke off. Guys, definitely hit that like button. If this video gets to 4 likes, I might do another one of these videos. Okay, so definitely like if you like Lego. That's funny. Right, here we go. Which way around is it? Okay, like this. This is the quad so far. We'll go, so guys, definitely do what I told you to do. Like if you like Lego. What the heck? Oh yes. So we get this up here. Oh gosh. This up. Oh gosh, don't break the whole thing. It's good. And then this over here. Oh yeah, so this goes down like this. Oh gosh, right. Oh gosh. So guys. Oh yes, I forgot to mention, shout out of the week or day. Yeah, shout out of the day is to who haven't I done? I've done Nathaniel. Who else have I not done? Shout out of the day is gonna be to. Let's go with There's really hard choices in this video. So shout out of the day is to Thomas Eakin. I was gonna say another guy as well. Can I do another guy, please? Okay, yes. 2 shout outs of the day. To Jack, oh God. To Jack Eakin. And to, oh my goodness, I can find the other wheel. Jack Eakin and Thomas Eakin. Okay, guys, so yeah. Guys, I have lost a part. Oh, it's in here. No worries. Guys, so I'm gonna need this fast. Need to get this on fast because, guys, this might not upload. Hope it does. Guys, tell your friends to like and subscribe. We're nearly finished now, guys. And voila! Okay, guys. That's all from me today. So, guys, do me a favor. Tell all your friends to like and subscribe to me. And also, if you're new to the channel, please also like and subscribe. And guys, I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye-bye. 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 Now you hit that. Wait. Okay, I can't hit it. Bye, guys.